guys, I'm at Capitola in that boat. It's gonna get pulled up. See over there at that crane thingy? That boat's gonna get picked up. So cool. I'm just gonna record the whole thing. Look at him go. We're getting off. They're saying, bye, boat. Guys, watch it. It's gonna go up. It's gonna get picked up, guys. So cool. Guys, look at the boat. It's going up. Look at the boat. That's actually so cool, guys. Look at it go. So cool. Look at picked up. Cool. Oh, look at it. It's almost up. Oh. Okay, it's okay. Going back in. Guys, it's on there. Guys, look at it. Behind, in front of all those people, there's the boat. Cool. Bye.